Welcome, friends. Welcome back to After Dark, where we are exploring different cocktails. And today's episode is all about this, Patron Citrange. Now, a friend gave this to us, and I didn't really know what to do with it. So today we're going to make a cocktail called the Mazatlan. And I just went to the Patron website and looked up a cocktail that used that had other ingredients that I already had in the studio. Because this... Okay, that's quite nice. On the nose, really what I get is a lot of smoky flavor. Or smoky smell. In my mouth, sweet. Number one, sweet. Just a tiny little bit of the lime. This is like limoncello, except it's made with limes and tequilas instead of lemon and neutral grain spirit. So it has a little bit of that tequila aftertaste. It's quite nice. You know what? Just on the rocks, I think that would be a really nice little summer drink. A tiny little cup like this so that it doesn't get warm. A little tiny piece of ice. Anyway, enough of that. On with the cocktail. So, because I'm me and I like to try different things, we're going to do it with two different tequilas today. Neither of them are the Patron that the Patron website says I need to use. We're going to do Cajadores and Casamigos. So this is a stirred cocktail, and I've got two mixing glasses here, and I'm going to mix them at the same time, ice them at the same time, so that we get the dilution pretty much the same for both of them. So that's the first one, Cazadores. And the second one is Casamigos. Now the Citrange. Sweet vermouth. Dry vermouth. And a couple dashes of Angostura. Okay, ice. And stir. Stirring is the boring bit that usually gets edited out. A lot of people complain that I don't stir long enough, or that perhaps I stir too long. Okay, so 2 glasses already chilled. And strain. And strain. And these both get a cherry as a garnish. So let's get a cherry out. These are Luxardo cherries. People will argue that they are the best. They're pretty good. They are pretty good. Okay, I'm going to try the cocktail made with the lighter flavored tequila first, the Cajadores, and see how that goes. Okay, tequila on the nose. Definitely tequila on the nose. Oh, that's very nice. I like that. It's very complex. It's an incredibly complex flavor. There's no one flavor coming through. It's not too sweet, and it's not too bitter, and there's not too much alcohol. I mean, that is a very well-balanced cocktail. It is a very well-balanced cocktail. I like that. You hand that to me, I'm going to drink it. But let's try the Casamigos, because I've been surprised by the Casamigos. I resisted the Casamigos. I said that's just hype. It's all hype. There's no way that, you know, that's going to be a good tequila. And I've been proven wrong every time I've had it. So, okay. It is a completely different tequila. They're both reposados, but the Casamigos has a definite smoky smell. Definitely smoky on the nose. Wow. Yeah. Same cocktail, completely different experience. Completely different experience. This one is rounded and soft, and you do get all of those herbal flavors and a little bit of everything coming through, and it's soft. Does that make sense? Easy drinking. I know a lot of people hate that term, easy drinking, but it is easy drinking. This one is a little more challenging. And I don't mean challenging in a bad way. I mean, it makes you, you know, makes me think a little bit more about what's going on in the cocktail. Interesting. I mean, I get the flavor of the citronge in both of these cocktails, but it's not pronounced. Not pronounced at all. Okay, I'd say this is a very well-balanced cocktail, no matter which one of these you use in it. You could use a silver tequila in this, and I think that would work really well. I think it would be a nice, soft, well-rounded cocktail like this one is. You could use a mezcal a little bit, maybe not total smoke show mezcal, but something that is on the lightly smoked side of mezcal. And again, get a really good cocktail, maybe a little bit more complex, maybe something that you have to think about more. So once again, same cocktail, different spirits, different experiences, and you've got to really try all of these things to find out what you like. And you might like both of them, like I like both of these, and I like this on its own apparently, which I didn't think I would. But they're for different occasions. I really think they're for different occasions. This is hanging out poolside or on the deck in the summertime with a little piece of ice, just something to relax and calm down after the day. I think this is kind of in that same ballpark. Maybe if you're comfortable sitting on a patio and you don't feel the need that you have to have a beer because you're on a bar patio, this would be a really nice one. And I think this is a little bit, this is a more sophisticated drink. This one is a little bit more sophisticated. This is for a night out on the town if you're going to a really nice cocktail bar and having a giant steak for dinner. That's what that's for. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.